Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. The vast majority of luxury cars on sale in the US score high in initial quality. Long-term quality, on the other hand, is a different matter, and it tends to be obscured by thick clouds of model year differences, transmission versions, repeat recalls and maintenance, or lack thereof, by owners. At times it seems that it's equally possible to find a problem-free example of any given model, and one that seems to have been assembled solely from parts rejected by quality control or from crash-tested cars. More odious is the mantra-like logic of EV owners who will point out at every opportunity that electric cars need far less maintenance because they don't have internal combustion engines or transmissions, ignoring the small issue of battery replacement costs for high-mileage EVs that may not be worth all that much, or secondary systems shared with ICE cars. Is this view reflected by the experiences of high-mileage EVs? Britain's Car magazine didn't set out to answer this difficult question, they just wanted to check out the Tesla Model S with 100,600 miles on it. The car itself is a 2013 model that belongs to ChargeMaster, which is the UK's biggest provider of EV charging stations, and Car magazine believes it has a chance of being the highest mileage Tesla Model S in the UK at the moment. So how did this Model S hold up after 100,600 miles of heavy use? The good news is that the electric powertrain has been described as faultless, with the 85 kilowatt-hour battery only losing 10 miles of its initial full charge rating of 240 miles. The only noticeable change over the 100,000 miles, Car notes, is a whine created by the motor of this rear-wheel drive Model S, at least as far as the powertrain goes. But what about the other items, the kind that tend to get up and leave long before any of the powertrain components do in a big luxury sedan? Head on over to Car magazine to read the full report of this high-mile Tesla, as well as another Tesla Model S in Car's fleet. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.